Okay, so this will be Bugani Brief TT sound test. Let's start with powering on the speaker. Yep, and we'll be using my Spotify as a source. So give me a second, and this will be a random selection of my tracks here. So just a second. Let's start with some country music, and I will be moving the speaker to the position that I think makes it sound best.
Took my first breath where the muddy rises, spills into the Gulf of Mexico, where the skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of his soul every day.
Okay, now let's look for something with more bass. So we've heard the vocals, now let's hear the bass. And for the bass, we'll have a classic Robin Schulz.
She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical and colored lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Oh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly?
And now let's change the mood to something else.
Look in my eyes. Do you feel the time that comes? The going up all never is. Lay in my arms. In this moment we belong. Staying up to ever live. And who wants to live forever? For the rising sun. And who wants to wait forever till the moon is gone? Way out, oh way out. Just stay here till the dawn comes. Way out, oh way out. Just stay.
Okay, and another change. Okay, so we'll be switching gears right now. we've moved to the wired connection from Neutron player and just check it out.
Every time I think of you, I always catch my breath, and I'm still standing here and you're miles away, and I'm wondering why you left. And there's a storm that's raging through my frozen heart tonight. I hear your name in certain circles, and it always makes me.
Okay, so we've got some more clarity and transparency. Now let's try to find some tracks with bass. Let's try this one.
Just a touch, baby. I look around, say the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
Okay, so that was it. I hope it gave you some kind of idea how this actually sounds. And this is basically the setup that I'm going to use for my speaker and amplifier sound demos. So give me a shout in the comments, how do you think it works out. My voice can be muffled right now because I'm directly behind the Zoom recorder. See you next time.